Hey Paris. Hey, blessed Monday to you. Wherever you are, about midday. No, midday no. I late in the man, but it's another day. I'm gonna wake up late, so I'm giving thanks for another day, and I hope where you are, you're giving thanks too. I hope you're giving thanks as I am. So it is morning. Clearly, I'm not awake. I'm still tired. So, good morning. It's late morning though. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, wherever you are. Good evening. And most of all, good night. I would like it to be when you catch a little vlog here. And you know, I watch you are going down here. Well, this video is going to be, I just want to go to the corner shop. I want some breakfast. And as a Jamaican, you know, when you don't have the money to go to the supermarket, or you know, sometimes we don't have the money for going to the supermarket. Most of the time, we can't make it at the supermarket. So, from time to time, when we have a little money, we got a corner shop, go buy something for breakfast or something for dinner. So, this video that I'm going to show you, or in the next clip, I'm going to show you how it goes when you go to the corner shop, Jamaican, and what I'll be buying is something to pursue breakfast. So, I'm going to carry on right now the next clip. Okay? I don't want them with the seed. Alright. So Paris, I'm at the shop now. My dad's shop here now. I'm going to buy something for breakfast, you know? So you know how the kind of shop breakfast thing run in Jamaica. Yeah. A fresh bread, yeah, fresh bread? Yes. I want a quarter bread. How much slice may I get that day?
What's your bread about 4 slices?
A 16 slice now bread. Let's cover.
So you don't know say 16 slices now?
Yeah. You make quarter bread. 1 sausage, 1 egg. How much for 1 sausage?
40.
$140 for 1 sausage? Backside the money done. Alright, give me 1 sausage, 1 egg, quarter bread. How much? 2 tea bag? Now $600 I have in my hand. More everybody sees how I go on. How things bad with me down here. 2 tea bag. 2 tea bag. Yeah. 2 tea bag, quarter bread. Quarter brown bread.
Yes.
1 egg, 1 sausage.
No, I can't.
Frankfurter, Lord Jesus. Sachets or anything I see them thing.
No.
Oh, the more.
What for bread is it?
1. I didn't know so much for 1. Backside, things bad.
Yes.
A $600 I have in my hand. No! Frankfurter, yeah.
Come here, you talk about fish after me.
Alright, man. I tell us your money done, you still turn up with
No, I want a little sugar. How much you pour on sugar?
What is that people?
Tell me how much gone already out of $600. $600 I have in my hand.
90. Okay. 90. 60. And 20. So 170.
$170? Oh, I want pound of sugar, I want some oil. You have the oil in my bag.
The little big jig.
Give me a little one.
Oh, the bigger one now.
How much for that?
70.
Alright, give me one of that.
Carry gang me cool chicken and chicken. That small white.
What else I want? A breakfast me making now.
That small white.
More like that, you know. I tell them what I want, you know. I look like chain, like cargo, that, you know. Yeah, everybody know invitation.
340. No one like that. Breakfast me make. What else I want? I feel like I left something. Give me one Lasco, one white Lasco. Yeah.
490.
Alright.
And about $500.
Box cover. Here, hold that. No, sir. Okay, now Paris, I'm back from the shop. And as you would have heard, as you hear in the clip before, now when we reach at the shop, you heard me ordering the items. And you did hear the conversation with me and the shopkeeper and the shop attendant. So the thing is, I could not put the camera as I would love to put it. You know, I can't put the camera in people's face. And you know, the most, if you can see the thing was meshed. So, and this was just a small little place where you could take your goods through. So you heard me ordering, but actually I don't think you had seen all the stuff. So I'm gonna show you now in this clip. So you hear me ordering a quarter bread. So this is how it would look. See it here? Sometimes you get it sliced, but sometimes you get it not sliced. So this is a brown bread. I'm gonna buy a quarter. It's in the bag. So then we'll just take it and just cut it so in the bag. So me get my little quarter. See, so me end up get the end. I love end at the right part I get. So this is a quarter bread. Remember I think she said $90. Yeah. This is a pound of sugar, 1 pound of sugar. Breakfast enough to make your tea. So I mean some people look here. I go come say you never have to buy no sugar. You have to buy sugar. Jamaica don't need one because sugar now with tea. Yes, I'm buy the pound of sugar. I think she said that was 100. So I'm in an aisle. So I buy one of this. This says right here, it says Big Jill. But you have the little Jill, they really want to know because money did bad. But this is the Big Jill. We used to that country and they used to have the measure. Well, what they do now, to facilitate all things harder, so they make the Big Jill seal. When we were small, if all of you can remember this, because my father had shop, so you had the Big Jill and half Jill. They don't call it half Jill now, they call it little Jill. So this is Big Jill and the smaller one to this would be little Jill. Right? So when you don't have money in Jamaica, we don't have money to go buy a girl in an aisle or a quarter aisle. Not everybody have that party. Not everybody have this. Some of this are shown. I mean, know enough people. Well, watch me now can attest to it. I saw we have to work when the money little. I saw we have to work with it. So this is the Big Jill, and you'd have the smaller one. She never have it. I think she said this is $70. All right. That one you blow me more than all. 1 egg and 1 sausage. So that's how would I get it. 1 sausage, $140, $140. And then the egg, me do not much for the egg, so you get it, right? Breakfast, we are look about to know. So I'm an egg, I'm a sausage, I'm an egg, I'm a Frankfurt, and I'm a bread. I'm have the egg from my tea. 2 tea bag, you know. Most people can buy when they go in the supermarket, you wouldn't get it like this. You would probably, yes, you would get this in the supermarket. You would get this in the supermarket. You would not get it like this in the supermarket. Neither would you get it like this in the supermarket. Okay? You're not getting like this in the supermarket either. Alright? So then you're aware you're not getting like in the supermarket. You would get this in the supermarket. This is my milk. It's in the powdered form. And all these, you heard them, all these were $490. And I paid $10 for the little bag supposed to put the stuff in. Right? So this is where basic look or something, you know. And this more look like the cheapest breakfast right now. I never have to buy the milk, right? And so this is just something that I'm trying to show you how that grocery item or food item go. You know, you see we're doing little supermarket vlogs and stuff. Most of the time when I go to the supermarket, that's how we do it. You understand? When you get a little money around got the shop. If you like this video, I hope you'll comment. I hope that you'll give me some likes, and if you want to see me do the dinner one another time, you can comment and I'll show you how when we have a minimal amount. Remember, this was just 500. I can't put the price of everything in the description because I don't know the price of this. I didn't ask her, and I don't know the price of this. Okay, so actually this and this were the ones I didn't know the prices of. This 70, this 100, this 90. The Frankfurter alone was 140. Remember that I don't know how much for the egg and these two. So in all I spent $490 with the bag for $10. I'm gonna go check the currency rate now to the US dollar, and then I try to translate. I try to wait for that one in here tomorrow, girl. Let's try to do the exchange rate to say how much US this will cost overall, and then we leave it in the description. Remember, if you have liked it, remember to give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments below what you think, how you think, what was more pricey, where you think, what was, you know, tell me what you think overall about this little video. Okay, thank you so much for your love, thank you so much for your support, and it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. I'm going to make my egg sandwich, you know. I'm a Frankfurter. And I'm going to put little sugar in my tea and little milk. And I got the bread I could have done, but I'm going to have little sugar left and little oil left, of course, for another time.